Well, I'm starting off today with a little Texas rig brush hog. Gonna see if we can get some little creek bass. A little too heavy of a weight, but I think it'll work. There's a bite. Oh, I just had a little one. Dang. Son of a gun. Dang, I'm stuck. Had a little something. And there's a lot of snags in this. I'm hooked up with a giant stick right now. Okay, come on. Man, where'd it bite? Had a little bite a minute ago. Don't know what happened to that. Try that again. That's a fish. They let go. Yeah, he let go. Dang. I think it's just a little perch in here. Little bluegill hitting it. That's what I had the other day. I shred my Cinco, but they wouldn't eat it. It's pretty bad when you have mosquitoes. And it's almost January. And it's like 70 degrees. Alright, we're gonna move down a little bit. Go to my honey hole. It's probably not a good thing that I have a yellow camera case, because that's pretty easy to come by and see and steal. Last time I came back here, I got totally skunked. So we have to fix that today. That's a little thump. I don't think that's a bass though. Oh, got a little something. Yep, got me a little creek bass. Ooh, that's a healthy one. There we go. Going on that watermelon red brush hog. He's got himself a little belly. Man, they've been feeding. Whew, perfect. Could have been a little bit more graceful. I think that was the same fish I had earlier tapping at my lure. He just didn't commit all the way first time. They're usually really small back in here, but sometimes I get some chunky ones. This is my first time ever using one of these, honestly. I don't really know what you're supposed to do. Oh man, hey, had a little fish. Didn't let it hold on long enough. This thing's got a pretty nasty weed guard on it. Alright, see if we can't get that some going. It's tiny, whatever it was. Got it. On the net rig. See? Yeah, it's a little tiny, 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 tiny bass. Well, first Ned rig bass. Sweet.